Let's see. Oh.
Was it alive?
We got him. All right.
Dad, do you have a swim?
No, I don't, son. I might in the car. Ali Bubba swimming?
No.
No?
No?
I sit down.
You sit down? Okay, sit down.
If you sit down, it might not be good luck.
Okay, you sit down.
Sit down. Let's see this.
You gonna sit down? Grandma should have took your diaper off.
Your wife said to leave the diaper
She almost
on,
said
and I
mother.
thought it would be better with the diaper off too.
Did you hear that? She almost said your she almost said your mother.
Your wife.
Come on, Donnie! Come on!
Could have problems, Ellie, if you like your mama. You don't want to get her too deep. Your butt will drag you straight down. We used to take Mel to the pool. No shit.
Right down to the bottom. Huh?
You had to take her through swimming lessons twice because she kept sinking.
She's her butt just.
Look at all those Oh my god, it was like a whole hurt.
Oh, I've never seen anybody sink like a rock.
Donnie, this time you guys get up on
Huh? Yeah, it's different, huh? Yeah, Alibaba different. You got the shovel.
Charlie, you got the lotion on your back?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks pretty cooked already.
That was from yesterday. I was thinking about this
Yesterday.
morning. Were red.
Papa,
Yes. You do it.
jump it.
You do it?
You hold it. Okay.
Donnie,
Bubbles?
You go swimming?
that's scared.
You don't go swimming?
I need someone except for Donnie as a swim partner.
Be careful.
He's scared.
No, scared what? That ain't being scared. That's being smart.
How is that being smart?
Water's cold.
Why don't you jump in the water? It won't be cold anymore. Sure it won't. Yeah.
Papa,
Yeah. Splashy.
you got a leaf.
Get grandma wet.
Splash Grandma.
Splash grandma.
Go splash Papa. Go splash Papa and Daddy. Go get him, Allie. Go get him.
Splash Grandma.
Get grandma.
Get him, Allie. Go get him, Allie. I'm gonna get Allie. I'm getting Allie. I'm getting Allie.
Splash Grandma.
I'm getting Papa. I'm gonna get Papa.
Hey, 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 hey.
Get Papa, see?
Oh, you causing trouble.
Get him.
Yeah.
Get him, Allie. Get him wet. Get him wet. Get him wet. Get him wet. Here. Get him wet. Oh, look what Papa did. Look what he's doing. Say stop, Papa.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Got him.
Get grandma.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Look at Papa run. Papa's running away.
Running.
Papa's running away. Say chicken. Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken.
You chicken.
Chicken.
Chicken. Papa's chicken.
Chicken.
Hey, Papa's chicken. Hey, chicken. He He's running away.
The light. Those live on a farm.
Where'd he going? Papa!
Hey, out.
Papa!
Dad.
Charles?
We need a little help like this time.
What?
There's like a white ball thing. Here, go forward, egg.
Huh? Duck or an egg, huh?
I think he has an angular fish.
Here, Allie. Here's your shovel.
You got your shovel? You go swimming?
Get him wet, Allie.
Addie, you gonna go swimming?
Get
You
Allie.
can't help me with.
Get Bubba too.
No. Get Grandma.
Get Bubba
Get
wet.
Grandma.
Get Bubba wet.
Get Grandma wet. It's like I can't do everything at once. Is that cold? It's not. Can I do it again?
No. Oh, he's drizzling.
Allie, you gonna go swimming?
Hey, Ellie. What?
Allie, you gonna go swimming?
No.
Your wife has my bathing suit.
Oh, is that the one that's rotting on the front, on the porch?
Huh?
Is that the one in the bag rotting on the front porch?
It better not be.
Oh, okay.
It's along with, she has my blue bathing suit and my Walmart shirt.
You coming in, Grandma?
I'm thinking about it.
We need help identifying something.
I'm not going to stick my head in the water.
Why? Don't
Papa ran off.
have tea.
You done
Papa
swimming?
ran off.